Hey, so welcome to our second episode of Stay Home and Cook. Can you say hi to my subscribers again? Like introduce
Hi,
yourself.
Mona, everybody. Oh, wait, you actually wanted me to keep talking, didn't you?
Yeah, like introduce yourself, please.
I am 26. I work in a law firm. On a typical day, I get up, go to work, go to the gym, come home. So I'm kind of enjoying quarantine because I can be home all the time in my pajamas. It feels great.
That sounds fun.
It is fun.
So today we're gonna be making tteokbokki. So have you actually tried tteokbokki?
I've tried it, but I've never made it before.
You never made it. I'm not a good cooker, but I think this is very simple to make it. So it's not gonna be that hard. So do you trust me
Perfect.
on this?
I trust you.
Okay, so first thing first, so let's boil the water first. On your frying pan, yeah, that's good. So put like 2 cups of water. Mine came out really good.
Okay. I like tried a piece in the pot, but let me try a piece of like everything.
Try it. Try the rice cake first. Oh,
It's good.
good.
Mm-hmm.
Can you like show me how your looks like? How your tteokbokki looks like? Oh wow, it came out better than mine. Came out much better than mine.
I'm gonna get a chair. This is so good.
Mm.
The cheese helps with the spiciness a lot.
Okay, perfect. Good.
When I was in Taiwan,
Mhm.
they put like American cheese, like the American cheese slices?
So, like,
They like, yeah, they put that in a lot of things. And I used to not like cheese very much, but when I was in Taiwan, I ate so much of it with like various foods. I became a huge cheese fan.
So what kind of cheese did you put?
The only cheese I had was shredded pepper jack.
Oh, that sounds good. Okay, so try the fish cake with everything actually. Rice cake, fish cake at once.
It was good.
It's good. A little spicy.
Good.
You should cook it for your mom. Mm.
I'm gonna start crying here shortly. I haven't cried in a while.
Okay, so I want to play some kind of a game where I'm gonna be showing you like a bunch of Korean actors. You tell
I don't
me.
know any Korean
I'm
actors.
gonna be showing you the picture. So by just looking at their picture, you just basically say which one is better. It's like a
Okay.
tournament style of each bunch of Korean actors. Okay. 네, 이제 처음으로 이제 남자 배우 이상형 월드컵을 하려고 하고 있습니다. 외국인이 보는 배우 어떤 배우가 괜찮을지 이제 16강만 한번 해보려고 하고 있거든요. 지금 이 친구한테 보여주면서 골라볼게요. This guy.
Okay. I don't know. The lighting is really bad. Okay, the first guy.
First guy, okay.
Yeah.
This guy or this guy?
The guy in the blue.
Guy in the blue, okay.
John, I'm crying.
That's spicy.
I'm actually crying, but I can't stop seeing it. It's so good. Can I pass?
No, cannot pass. So what are the things that you look for when you're looking for a boyfriend?
I like to talk a lot. He's got to be a good listener.
Mm.
What else?
You care more about the looks?
I think, I don't know. To a degree, I think. What?
No,
No,
like,
I'm over here like crying and dying right now.
제가 여기 만드는 걸 보니까 너무 맵게 지금 제가 모르고 얘기를 해서 저도 매워요. 저도 매운데 얘는 더 매워서 지금 죽을 것 같아요. 아니 뭐.
I think looks are important to a certain degree, but looks aren't everything.
Well, looks are important. You have to go for the look first, and then you will see the personality after, right?
I don't know. I feel like I try to be really objective because there have been times where, you know, like you see somebody and you have a conception, like a preconception of them, and then you kind of like form a judgment, and by forming a judgment, you don't give yourself the opportunity to let the person's personality speak to their qualities, you know?
Mm-hmm.
If that makes sense. So I've tried really hard to stop just taking people at face value, and I try to like talk to everyone at least. I like to get to know people because I don't know. I prefer to know your personality first and make a judgment from there. Obviously, if you're good looking, it doesn't hurt your case, but I try to treat everybody equally.
I think that's that's a really good for your ranking.
Although all bets are off when I drink too much. I've had some embarrassing moments where I've said things and done things because I drank too much. So I try not to do that anymore.
Now, how much bottles of soju can you actually drink?
When I was in Taiwan, me and my friends would drink soju all the time because it was so cheap.
What's the limit for you?
I think 3 bottles. 4 was really pushing it, but like at my peak, I could drink 3 bottles by myself and be fine.
술 진짜 잘 마셔요. 이 친구가 소주 3병까지 마셨네. 술 3병에서 4병. Wow, you're really good at drinking now. But I feel like the last time that I saw you at a club, you're really drunk.
That's pretty much what everybody says about me.
Everyone was, oh, that's why your Insta is goddamn pneumonia.
Yeah, because I embarrassed myself.
Sounds good. Thanks a lot for today.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Bye.